Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common question for Kwikset SmartCode 917 owners. How to change the code on your Kwikset SmartCode 917 lock. Whether you've just moved in, had a guest, or simply want to update your security, knowing how to change your Kwikset SmartCode is crucial. We'll walk you through the easy steps, ensuring your home stays secure. Let's dive in. Main body, step-by-step guide to changing your Kwikset SmartCode 917 code. Changing the code on your Kwikset SmartCode 917 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful update. Step 1. Locate the program button. The first thing you need to do is locate the program button. This button is usually found on the interior side of your lock. You might need to remove the battery cover to access it. Action. Remove the battery cover on the interior assembly. Tip. Look for a small red B button or a button labeled Program. Step 2. Press the program button. Once you've found it, press and release the program button. You should hear a beep or see the keypad illuminate, indicating the lock is in programming mode. Action. Press and release the program button once. Confirmation. Listen for a single beep. Step 3. Enter your new user code. Now, it's time to enter your new 4 to 8-digit user code. Choose a code that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Action. Enter your desired new 4 to 8-digit user code on the exterior keypad. Recommendation. Avoid simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4. Press the lock button. After entering your new code, press the lock button, the Kwikset logo button. This confirms your entry. Action. Press the lock button on the keypad. Confirmation. You should hear another beep and the keypad lights might flash, indicating the code has been successfully changed. Step 5. Test your new code. Always test your new code immediately to ensure it works correctly. Action. Close the door, if open, and enter your new code. Then press the lock button to unlock. Verification. The deadbolt should retract and the door should unlock. Special tips and FAQs. Here are some common questions and troubleshooting tips to help you if you encounter any issues. What if the code doesn't change? Double check that you pressed the program button correctly and entered the new code within the time limit. Some models have a specific window of time for code entry. How do I delete a user code? To delete a single user code, you'll typically enter the program button sequence followed by the old code you wish to delete, and then press the lock button. Refer to your Kwikset SmartCode 917 manual for exact steps, as this can vary slightly. Low battery warning. If your lock isn't responding, check your batteries. Low batteries can cause programming issues. Master code. If you have a master code enabled, you might need to enter it before you can change any user codes. Always keep your master code secure. Factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset can clear all codes and settings, allowing you to start fresh. This usually involves holding down the program button for an extended period. Consult your manual for the precise factory reset procedure. And there you have it. Changing the code on your Kwikset SmartCode 917 lock is a simple process that anyone can do. Keeping your codes updated is a great way to maintain your home security. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and tutorials. Have a question or ran into a snag? Leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.